Welcome to McLaud Technology. My name is Ram. George is actually having some technical difficulties with the third printer. What's wrong with the third printer, George?
So printing perfect. A show print.
Is it because of the ink?
Damper.
The damper. So the damper is not working. So Jay has to fix that later. And later on, actually, we are going to a customer's place to set up some lights on the printer, and that's gonna be later on. So so me and Jay are about to head out. We're gonna put LED lights on one of the customer's printers. So yeah, so we'll see you guys when we get there. So we're back again, installing the lights. So this place is too nice, man. I love this place. Such a lovely place, mate. I'm about to check it right now. They are back at Woody's mansion, as you might say. Yeah.
We're good.
I'll take a water, please.
Alright, I'll turn this off. Okay. Are you? I'm not using it. I just have it on. Okay.
All right, Jay's about to start installing the light on the printer. First thing first is
we just have to remove this cover so we will have access to the power supply and the main power for the printer, right? And all we need to do is basically just create a line for the extension cord for us to be able to connect the LED light to the printer. That's pretty much it. And yeah, I'm just gonna open this up and this one. Simple. Easy peasy. This one. All we have to do is create a branch, and we have to connect that extension cord. Got an idea, right? It's the power. This is kind of like, this is like the power. This is where the power cord directly. This is where the printer gets its power. So gotta be careful with this. Kids, don't try this at home. Or maybe yeah, you can. Just be careful. Stay safe. Heck, did I cut it well? I need to cut it a little bit more to open up. It's the moment of truth.
But if I go with multiple, then
I got the LED lights here.
I would have to buy
Oh,
different.
okay, my bad. Nope. Listen.
So buy a USB, not a USB.
There it is.
There you go. Merry Christmas.
Now we just have to install it
Yep.
on the other side and hopefully.
Let's see the remote first. If it's... Hey, there you go. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Now we just have to install it on this side.
Oh, so buy a router?
And it should be good. Install it here.
Well, it has a room.
Can you reach from there or?
The server is at, and everything else is connected to Wi-Fi.
Let's see.
Likod. Dito, nakikita mo?
Yeah, I see.
Dito natin lalagay yung ano. Nice. Naman yung kaya wala.